Hello everyone. For the past couple of years, I've fought stuck caliper, frozen caliper, whatever you want to call it, on my 96 Dodge pickup truck. Finally broke down and bought new calipers, so I'm going to replace them. So join me. Now, one of the things that I've already done is I've already loosened the cap on the master cylinder. That way when I pinch this with the C-clamp, it doesn't pressurize and spew brake fluid everywhere. I've already had that happen a long time ago. All right, let's make sure I got the right caliper. I think I do. Looks the same. That's nice. That broke loose real good. I was hoping it would. I mean, that's the original caliper. Boy, that's close. Gonna go with that. Oh yeah. Holy smokes. Phooey. That's what I got to say about that. Always use the right tool. There we go. Oh my God, that hurt. Okay. Alright, that's loose. Good. Holy smokes. I got everything loosened up. Nice. I'm going to go ahead and finish loosening the guide pins. that's sufficient. That needs to come out a bit more. There we go. That guide pins out. That guide pins out. There. Okay. Copper washer against the caliper. And not one there. Okay. That goes like that. All right. I wonder if it's named Flame. Oh. Old Jim Stafford song reference. Oh, there was a washer on it. That means I gotta pull that off and do that again. Hey, they've been hot. That's what Derek says on Vice Grip Garage. We'll pretend we didn't see that. Alrighty, here we go. Come on. Oh, I see part of the problem. Okay, now we'll do it. It'll go on there now. Better than OJ's glove. All right. One started. Yay! The other one started. Awesome. Show you what I'm doing. tightening the guide pins. That's tight. My wrist clip. That's all that matters. There we go. I'll go hit the brake pedal. Let's see here. Nope. This contraption will stay. Keep holding that brake pedal. Did I get any oozing? Did not. Okay. Why? All right, I got fluid. That's good. Alright. Seems to be inoperable. Why is this inoperable? Holy crap, I fought this thing. So it comes with 2 copper washers. And there was only one on the old one when I took it off. And I thought that was the way it's supposed to be. And anyway. I put both of them back on. The banjo nut fire bolt finally lined up and it compressed. I have fought this thing. So now I'm going to loosen the bleeder valve and see what I can get out of it. Well, that was good. We shall try more. I'm going to call that bled. One more time. Yep. I'm gonna call that good. Oh man. Lather, rinse, and repeat. Time to do the driver's side. I learned a lot. I'm gonna take a break though, definitely. Anyway. That's gonna do it. Like I said, lather, rinse, repeat for the driver's side. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't, do subscribe. It's free to you guys and helps my channel a lot. I will see you later.